Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Louis. I'm a filmmaker and videographer. So the time has come. I organized a little contest during the Startup Fest, which you participated in. The contest was to pitch between 1 and 2 minutes your business, and the criteria were to talk about the problem, the solution, the market, and how do you plan to scale in the future. We had 23 participants that were running chance to win a minute to a minute and a half of free video production for their business. So I had to choose between the 23 participants the 5 best pitches, so you guys can vote later on to see who are gonna be the 3 winners. So get ready, guys, because the contest's about to go down. Pretty dramatic, right? I love it.
Hi, my name is Philip Eyre. I'm the founder and CEO of Milo, the fintech app that's on a mission to help Canadians achieve their financial goals. 53% of Canadian millennials have less than $1,000 regardless of their income. They have difficulty saving and investing, and ultimately they delay major life events such as moving to their parents' house, getting married, or even having kids. Milo makes it easy and simple to save and invest their money by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change. First, you download the mobile app from the Google Play or Apple App Store, connect your bank account, and live life as you normally would. Milo investment accounts are fully managed by portfolio managers, and so no investment knowledge is necessary. We do all of this for a flat $1 a month fee with no additional hidden fees. Today, we have onboarded over 150,000 investment accounts on the platform in the last 2 years, and we're helping Canadians across the country achieve their financial goals through roundups, recurring deposits, and one-time boosts. The next version of Milo is going to include data analytics to help identify when users are market for financial products and start making recommendations for the right products and services to them so they can save even more money in that platform. In 3 years from now, we're looking at going international to the next user base there, as well as providing a platform for Canadians to manage all aspects of their financial life in one simplified platform. We've raised $5 million to date to make this happen. We're currently raising our Series A financing to bring us to this next level of international expansion. Today, our team is comprised of an asset management firm that we acquired back in 2017, as well as our Chief Marketing Officer, Dave Haber, Chief Operating Officer, Jennifer McDonald, and our Chief Technology Officer, Loic Bertrand. Together, we're helping making financial inclusion possible for Canadians.
I'm Mihai, I'm the CMO at Corbett Technologies, and the education in general is moving online. Today there are more students studying online than the entire US student population. The problem is these students are not getting the attention and the help they need in order to succeed. At Corbett, our mission is to democratize online learning with AI-powered tutors. The company was founded by award-winning researchers from the Mila Research Lab and from Cambridge University. And on our platform, students solve problems directly with AI tutors through dialogue. They also get access to more than a dozen interventions like hints and diagrams to help them study faster and better. The online learning market is massive. It's estimated at hundreds of billions of dollars. And we're going after the data science market because this is really where we have a competitive advantage thanks to our founding members as well as our partnerships with the universities. We're going to help students master data science with customized courses on a state-of-the-art platform powered by artificial intelligence. We're going to use a premium business model, freemium business model, where students enroll in free courses, they try the platform out, and that they subscribe to the premium membership or they can pay per course. Last month, we launched the world's first AI course powered by an AI tutor, Corby, in collaboration with the Mila Research Lab. In the first few weeks after launch, more than 1,000 students enrolled in the course. And we saw some very interesting results, like an increase in student engagement, as well as an increase in student learning outcomes. We're scaling to millions of students worldwide right now, so help us democratize education.
Bonjour, Christopher Wells de Piecemeal. Piecemeal, dans le fond, on met les restaurants sur le pilote automatique. Vous savez, dans l'industrie de la restauration, il y a des tripeurs, les chefs, un tatou d'asperges, un tatou de bacon, ils ont bien du fun. Leur problème, c'est qu'ils sont rarement rentables. C'est pour ça qu'il y a un paquet de restaurants qui ferment en première année, deuxième année. Hein, les taux de faillite sont très élevés. Les systèmes sont soit des enterprise software hyper complexes ou sinon, on a une feuille Excel avec un outil qui fait des inventaires puis il faut copier du data à gauche, à droite. Dans le fond, ce qu'on a fait, nous, on a tout intégré ça. Horaire, inventaire, achat, prep de nourriture, un modèle d'intelligence artificielle pour les prévisions de vente puis analyser les tendances, ce qui fait triper bien du monde dans notre industrie présentement quand on en parle. Puis, on met tout ça à la même place, on les aide à maximiser leurs profits, puis à simplifier leur vie, puis à retourner faire ce qu'ils sont bons, c'est de servir des clients. Mon partenaire est un propriétaire de restaurant et un programmeur. Moi, je suis consultant, formateur et opérateur de restaurant depuis 25 ans. C'est quelque chose que nous, on voulait avoir comme outil qu'on a bâti. Fait que quand on va parler aux gens, ils trippent, ils sont vraiment impressionnés de ce qu'on fait. On est sur le bord de commercialiser, on fait des projets pilotes avec 4 types de restaurants différents. On parle avec 5 chaînes déjà, ce qu'on pensait qu'il serait dans 3 ans. On est sur un modèle SaaS basé en ligne, 300 $ par mois à peu près. Il risque d'avoir différents tiers selon les grosseurs de compagnie, évidemment. Et présentement, les conversations vont super bien. On a parlé avec le plus gros franchiseur au Canada cette semaine et on attend les nouvelles pour faire un pilote dans une chaîne de 20 restaurants avec eux. On est très excités de ça et évidemment, je vais vous donner un exemple là, dans les tâches qui sont vraiment longues et vraiment plates. C'est rentrer des factures pour faire des inventaires. Ça fait suer bien du monde. Des restos qui passent 2, 3, 4, 5 heures par semaine à rentrer des factures manuelles. On a créé un OCR, prendre une photo ou un PDF. Dans le fond, ce que ça fait, c'est que ça importe l'information directement, les quantités, les prix en temps réel, l'information que les restaurateurs n'ont pas accès à avoir présentement. Et c'est pas mal ça. On est rendu au point où on veut faire un deal comme ça, aller chercher une ronde de seed. Dans 3 ans, ce qu'on veut faire, c'est avoir à vrai 300 restaurants. Puis d'ici 5 à 7 ans, c'est aller chercher à vrai 5000 restaurants puis prendre l'expansion partout dans le monde. Donc, un plaisir de vous revoir. À bientôt.
My name's Taylor Bond and I'm the co-founder and head of growth of SalesRight. Today's SaaS market is over $100 billion and growing at an exponential rate. But the SaaS market is very difficult. You look at complex and enterprise deals that over 70% of SaaS companies currently use, it's a very messy process. You go on to purchase the software and then you end up talking to an SDR, a BDR, going through a whole entire demo with an account executive before any type of pricing is discussed. And then after that point, you're given a proposal, there's tons of back and forth, and there's really no transparency or visibility in terms of what you're buying. And it's a very clunky experience for both the internal sales teams and also the prospect buying. So we created SalesRight because at my previous company, we sold this way and built it there and sold for over 2 years, and people were asking us what software do we use, and we simply built it ourselves. So we started SalesRight a year ago, and SalesRight helps inside sales teams with complex and enterprise pricing, create intelligent and interactive proposals, leading to clearer pricing conversations, reduced administration time for their sales team, and better visibility into your internal sales pipeline and also your prospects' buying behavior, leveraging real-time analytics. We've taken the entire sales qualified opportunity process to the closed revenue and made it far more seamless for both the inside sales teams and the prospects. We've been in market for over 2.5 months, recently closed $350,000 in pre-seed revenue from Concrete Ventures, and have over 8 paying customers that are raving about our platform, and with 35 others on the platform now in free trials. We're looking for a $500,000 investment to top up for continued product development and sales growth as we scale our team. Thank you so much, and it's great to be back at Startup Fest. We incubated the idea here a year ago and are so happy to be here with a real product that's working and our customers up on stage using SalesRight and talking about it.
La construction, on en dépend à chaque jour, mais c'est l'industrie la moins bien organisée. Elle ne respecte jamais les délais et rarement les budgets. Ça génère un chaos chez les entrepreneurs et un énorme impact sur la société. Plusieurs problèmes surviennent. La difficulté de communication entre le chantier et le bureau, la tonne de double manipulation requise pour effectuer des travaux et des prévisions et estimations qui sont faites au feeling. J'ai été entrepreneur en construction pendant 10 ans. J'ai participé au projet Bonne Aventure avec le parc, l'aéroport de Montréal, la station de métro Honoré-Beaugrand. C'est avec nos 50 employés pendant 10 ans qu'on a effectué des projets majeurs. Sivalgo aide les entrepreneurs en construction à gérer leurs opérations. C'est une plateforme web qui lie la planification des travaux avec les retours de performance en temps réel. Avec notre application, on est en mesure de réduire les coûts opérationnels de 40 %. Présentement, on a 10 clients majeurs au Canada et on a une équipe composée de 15 ingénieurs, tous du domaine et un background en construction, mais on est tous très différents. Actuellement, on crée des partenariats avec la Banque nationale, l'AICA et plusieurs autres entreprises qui nous aident à propulser nos innovations. Mais on est toujours à la recherche de conseils et de grandir notre équipe. Donc, si on pouvait vous demander de nous aider à propulser nos innovations, ça nous ferait grandement plaisir. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.
There you have it, guys. That were our top 5 contestants. It was very hard for me to choose from these guys. They had so good pitches. Please go visit their LinkedIn web pages and their profile. Send them some love because, you know, when you're starting a small business, you need it. So follow them on their social medias. And don't forget, make sure to follow me on LinkedIn and to add me on my social medias if someday you think you're gonna need some videography services for your business or maybe an event. So I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.